So, officially, wonderful evening to all of you. Yes, we have many smiling and new faces also. Punendu, Praful, Nirmala,
Good
Sri,
evening.
Sneha Vishkarma. Okay. Snehal, sorry.
Good morning. Good
Good
evening.
evening, Abdul, FK, Madhumita, and Preeti Sahaya. So, how is going on? Well said? Good?
Nice.
Super
Yes,
jolly,
very good, ma'am.
fantastic, and
All
very good.
fairly docious.
Okay. Okay, dear. So, my question is, yes, before starting our session, today is which session? Which type of session we are
Okay.
taking?
Vocabulary.
Why?
Advanced vocabulary.
Why
Advanced vocabulary.
advanced vocabulary? Why we are here? Why we are here in this session? I'm starting from Sasi Shekhar. Sasi Shekhar will speak. Yes. Reply fast. Be happy. Be smile. Reply. Yes. Why I'm here? Yes. Unmute. Everyone. Yes. No. No. Abdul, you want to say why we are here in this session?
Yeah, to
Advanced
speak
vocabulary.
English like our mother tongue.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. You joined this platform for this purpose. Okay. I'm asking why I am here. We all are here in this vocabulary session to improve.
Well, ma'am, using the advanced language for
For
advanced advanced word for vocabulary or update or the knowledge when we are communicating to each other.
okay. Yes. Anyone? Sri, Nirmala, Snehal Vishkarma. Snehal. Please speak out here.
To speak fluently and learning purpose.
Okay.
Extra
Only
knowledge.
fluently.
Extra words. Extra
Okay.
words.
Learn new vocabulary.
Yes.
Yes. If so, why?
New advanced word.
Yes. Viru.
yeah,
To learn new vocabulary, new advanced words.
Why? Why
To
we are
update
learning?
our
Why we want
English.
to learn new vocabulary?
Or the
To come up in life.
impressive.
To communicate very
Like,
well
to
with others.
Ha.
improve our
Yes,
vocabulary. Madhumita. Okay. Madhumita.
new advanced vocabularies can
Mhm.
beautify our language more.
Yes. Everyone gave very good reply. So, what is the mean? Why we are here? So, if you really want to become an impressive speaker, effective
Yeah.
speaker, okay. So,
I said for the
yes,
impressive.
yes. If you want to be an impressive speaker, effective speaker, if you want to uh, uplift your communication, so
Better communication.
yes,
Yes.
you should have enrich your vocabulary. Am I right?
Yes.
Isn't it? So that's why now through this vocabulary session, what we do, we can easily impress our audience. Am I right? Through this
Yes.
vocabulary. So
Yes.
that's why we are
Yes.
taking in every week vocabulary session. Okay? To impress our audience. Asha, who is the audience? Who will be the audience? Praful, who will be the audience? According to you. Yeah, according to everyone who will be the if you see job, then it is a different. But according to the everyone who will be the audience. If you are working in IT company, who will be the audience?
Uh,
Your senior, your
Colleagues.
colleagues, your
client.
your
Client.
clients. If you are a teacher, then who will
Except
be?
ma'am, except from
Student.
my body.
Parents.
Student.
Yes, Sasi Shekhar.
Ma'am, except my body.
No, Sasi, my body, my soul is also our audience. My physical body. If you, what I say, if you talk
Ourselves.
yourself, अगर आप अपने आप से बात करते हो, if we are
Ourselves.
if we are talking
So we can improve.
so if you
We
stand
can
in
improve.
front of mirror, who is your audience? अगर आप शीशे के सामने खड़े हैं तो आपका ऑडियंस कौन हो जाएगा? मैं खुद. So that I can improve my communication. When we speak in English, then the way of body gesture, the way of hand gesture, and the facial, what is the facial expression? Who will judge? Myself.
Myself.
Okay. And being a parents, being a housemaker, who will be the audience? Abdul, Nirmala, Snehal.
Family and children.
Husband
Yes.
and kids.
Family and
Children,
Kids,
family, children,
house,
friends,
everyone.
neighbor,
Yeah, you can say na everywhere we have a
everybody,
audience, and if we
everything.
want to impress our audience, then we should enrich our vocabulary. Okay, and
Yes, ma'am.
today, today I'm going to learn something new vocabulary. You know what? Anyone, have you ever heard binomial? Binomial? Anyone?
Binomial means double.
Okay. Right. You got it. Yes. Try to explain. Yes. Anyone knows?
Bi means two होते हैं ना, bi means double, मतलब वही.
Oh,
Nomial.
he is using right brain, everyone. She is using right brain. Okay, by means two. Then it's something two words, two phrases. Right. Anyone others? Abdul, you want to say? Viru, Purnendu? Binomials are what? Binomials? Yes,
Twin.
Nirmala. Acha, no one is waiting now. Please don't wait. No, when my turn is coming, then I will speak. No, please try to speak out. Okay? Yes. Tejasri, please switch on your camera, dear. Snehal. So, binomials means, there are
Yes.
phrases, two phrases. Okay?
Phrases.
Two phrases. मतलब आप कह सकते हो two words joined by conjunction या preposition.
Conjunction.
In a very simple way में ना two phrases होते हैं, two words होते हैं, that is joined by and या or या by. Okay?
Yes.
मतलब दो words होते हैं जो and से connected होते हैं या or से या by के थ्रू दो. Okay? And you can say specific order. मतलब for example, if I say peace and quiet, that is right. Yeah, if I say quiet and peace, what is a? We never say na peace, quiet and peace.
Quiet
We
and
Quiet and peace.
never
peace.
say peace and quiet. Peace and quiet. Okay.
Peace
तो
and
you
quiet.
can say word का जो order होता है बाइनोमियल्स में वर्ड्स के जो ऑर्डर होते हैं इज फिक्स्ड, यूजली फिक्स्ड होता है, वो फिक्स होता है, आप उसको आगे पीछे नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जांपल प्रोज एंड कॉन्स, लाभ एंड हानि.
Same. I want to say.
What?
And same.
अच्छा
Cons and
सेम
cons.
एग्जांपल यू वांट टू. ओके. Any other example? Anyone?
Coming in my.
I'm
Do
giving
or
you.
die, ma'am.
Yes, Abdul. Yes, Ethel. We have also Ethel.
Do or
Do
die.
and don'ts.
Do?
Do and
die.
don'ts.
It's a very
Do
common,
or die.
very common example. Black and white. Black and white.
हाँ. Black
White
and white.
and black.
White and black.
Black and white.
No. So these are na binomials words. When we use these binomials, this type of binomials, to whatever we are learning in today our session, when we use in our daily conversation, then our communication will be more effective. Dear. Okay, that's why today we are going to learn a binomials. Okay, anyone give some other example?
Ma'am, thick and thin.
Yes.
Give
Thick
or
and
take.
thin.
Yes. Okay. Right. Good. Give and take.
Day and night.
Okay.
Heads
Good
or
and
tails.
bad.
Heads or tails.
Okay. Good.
Good and bad.
Now, everyone.
Bad
Right
and
and
good
right.
count, ma'am. Good and bad.
Good and bad. Bad and good.
Wet and true.
Which one is good?
Wet
Which
and
one is
dry.
right? So, today we are going. Acha, yes. Before starting binomials, yes, we have some new faces now. So, now tell me, whenever we start our vocabulary, yeah, in our vocabulary classes, we use three techniques, which we call V3 technique. What are they? V3 technique. Why we use V3 technique in our vocabulary session, for our vocabulary session? Why?
Visualization.
Visualization, vitalization,
Verbalization and
Verbalization.
vitalization.
Yes,
Yes.
our new students, please focus on this. Okay. Yes. So, Praful, got it? Viru and
Yes.
everyone. Sashi Shekhar. Yes. So, first one is visualize new words.
Visualize new word.
Visualize new words. Always remember this V3 technique and go this technique. Okay. He was eavesdropping his boss conversation. Yes, Praful, read this sentence here.
He was eavesdropping his boss' conversation.
Yes, conversation. Okay, what does it mean? Yes. Eavesdrop means listen someone talk secretly. You can also visualize na through this picture.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको इस पिक्चर को देख के ही समझ में आ जाएगा. So whenever you learn any new vocabulary, visualize with the picture. Am I right, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, Sumna.
Every
Yes.
vocabulary, and then now you can easily memorize all the vocabulary if you picturized way में आप करते हो. Okay, so he was eavesdropping his boss's conversation. Boss. Yes. Second one.
Verbalization. Verbalize new word.
Yes. Yes. Read everyone. Please speak out.
Verbalize new
Verbalize
words.
new words.
Words.
Verbalize new words.
Verbalize
Verbalize
new
new
words.
words. Why it is necessary? Why it is also necessary in our V3 technique? When we start pronounce
When we
the
start our pronunciation.
Pronouncing
no matters.
word
Right or
correctly.
wrong.
Express our sentence and
Yes,
New
we
words
should
correctly.
pronouncing the new words correctly या in a correct way में. Okay, right now. तुरंत ये नहीं कि अच्छा अभी लिख लेते हैं. Now this time I want to write. Then next time we will speak. No, right now. Yes, right now. Please speak. Okay, verbalize all the time. Okay, that's why I'm telling you to everyone. Please read these words. Yes, who will?
time for action.
Time for us.
Vitalization.
V3 technique. V3 technique. What does it mean? V3 technique.
Vitalization.
Vitalize new word.
Abdul, can you
Vitalization.
Vitalize.
elaborate this?
Vitalize.
Yeah, vitalize new word.
Visualize new words.
Time for
No, what
action.
does it mean? I'm asking. What is the meaning? Vitalize means? Yes, read this. Read this.
New words in
Start
our
using the new word in
Vitalize
our
new
Start
regular
using
schedule.
the
Regular
new words
schedule.
in our
Whatever
regular
you learn the
schedule.
vocabulary, any type of vocabulary, whatever you
Learn the
in this week,
vocabulary. We have to
use that
Regular.
vocabulary
Regular schedule.
in your daily conversation,
Daily routine.
conversation. Okay, in your surrounding atmosphere. आपका जो भी atmosphere है, चाहे ऑफिस का हो, चाहे घर का हो, ठीक है? Try to use that new vocab in your surrounding area.
Daily.
Okay? आप कहीं ना कहीं से उसको फिट करने की कोशिश करिए. And likewise, you see at कम से कम, अच्छा, in every week, how many vocab we learn? Minimum 5 and more than 7.
Yes.
Right?
7.
Minimum 5, more than 7 in every week. If at least, if only not to all the vocab, only 4 या 2 ही जो हमें लगता है कि most of time we use this type of vocabulary, try to use in your conversation, daily conversation में किसी न किसी से, बच्चों से, friendly, officially, try to use. Okay, everyone? So,
Yes, ma'am.
ET technique is a very, very important for the vocabulary session.
Vocabulary.
Okay, for if you want to enrich your vocabulary. Okay, now. So, now, I told you what is the binomials. What is the binomials? So, fluent English conversation with the, today we are going to learn fluent English, yani impressive English, impressive communication with the binomials. Okay, so today we are going to learn 15, and in not 5, not more than 7, 15 binomials.
15.
Okay, okay, yes. So please be careful and yes. हाँ, तो first tell me कि binomials, what are the
Tell you that.
binomials? पहले binomials होते क्या हैं? पहले मुझे आप ये बताइए, आपका concept clear हो. What are the binomials? Ethel, Tejasri, why you are not opening your camera, dear? Already you know. Yes. Ethel, what are
Yes.
the binomials, dear?
Opposite.
Yes, Tejasri.
How you are doing?
Huh? No. I'm asking, binomials किसे कहते हैं? Earlier I told you, everyone.
Just two words joining
Two
words.
words.
Two phrases, na? Two phrases, you can say two
Two
words.
phrases joining
or
together.
phrases joined by conjunction
Child.
and
Child.
by or.
Two words.
एंड से होगा, जुड़ा
Right.
होगा, और से या बाई से होगा. एंड जो इनके जो ऑर्डर होते हैं, जो इनके वर्ड्स के जो ऑर्डर होते हैं, दैट इज यूजली फिक्स होता है. मतलब उसको आप भी इसमें चेंजेस नहीं
अलग नहीं
कर
कर
सकते.
सकते.
जो उसके ऑर्डर होंगे वर्ड के, जो अगर जो पहला वर्ड है तो वो पहला ही होगा,
Couldn't change.
में नहीं दे सकते आप. तो बाइनोमियल्स में क्या होता है, इनका वेरी स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर इनका होता है. तो यू नेवर चेंज these two words को, आप किसी को आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो बाइनोमियल्स किन किन चीजों में हेल्प करता है? बाइनोमियल्स जो दिस टाइप ऑफ जो फ्रेजल्स होते हैं, जो वर्ड्स होते हैं ना, हेल्प पीपल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश मोर फ्लुएंट, मोर ओके, मोर यूनिक. I'm
Cup
not
and sauce.
to read. We will. Yes. Snehal, read this. Read करिए. आप लोग please read through.
Binomials help people to speak English better and properly.
Okay. Binomial, with the help of binomials, people will speak
Speak English
more
better
And
and
better and properly.
Okay. Now. Okay. Yes. Other. Three.
Binomials help
Binomials help people to speak
people to
English
speak
like
English
native
like native
एक
speakers.
second. One by one. ना, I'm giving you everyone. Okay. Chance. Yes. I'm giving you chance. Everyone. Yes. Sri. Please read this. Yeah.
Yes. Binomials help people to speak English like native speakers.
अच्छा चलो, जैसे आपने एक वर्ड तो आपने देख लिया. नाउ मेक द सेंटेंस, मतलब इसी को आप अपने वर्ड में कैसे बोलोगे? जैसे मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ ना. यस, व्हेन वी यूज बाइनोमियल्स वर्ड्स, अभी मैंने इसके पहले क्या बोला? you become an impressive speaker, you become a different speaker. Okay, now this you see na, this line.
Yes.
Make the sentence in your words. इसी को अपने लाइन में बोलिए आप. Please fast. Sri, where are you? Nirmala.
Binomial helps to me speak to confident English.
Again dear, your voice is echo. क्या बोला?
Binomials help to me confidently speak to English.
Okay, good. Viru. Viru has
Bi- Binomials help people to speak English confidently. Binomials help people to speak English like native speakers.
when we, अच्छा आप ऐसे इसमें ऐसे भी तो ऐड कर सकते हैं ना, when we use binomials words, binomials phrases, okay, we become,
Yes.
we speak like a native speaker. मैंने
Yes.
सिंपली कहा कि आप लाइन पढ़ी उसको अपने वर्ड्स में आप बोलिए, ठीक है?
Okay.
यस यस प्रफुल्ल.
Clear. So,
Binomials are
Binomials
clear, short,
clear,
and well
short and
understood.
well understood.
Yes, as you see ना, pros and cons, black and white, short है, simple
Yes.
है, clear है
Yes.
और understood भी है. Very simple.
Cup and socks.
Now, first binomials. Punendu, read this.
First and foremost.
First and foremost.
Foremost.
Speak out, everyone. Yes.
First and
foremost.
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 First and
First and foremost.
First and foremost.
First and
First
verbalize
and
technique. Verbalize technique. Okay. First and foremost.
and foremost.
What is the
First
meaning
and
of this?
foremost.
Okay.
The most important thing.
thing. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ?
The
most important
The
thing.
most important thing. Okay. Yes.
First.
Yes. Punendu, read this.
Our first and foremost
एक सेकेंड.
Recovering.
is recovering
इसको डिवाइड foremost.
Children.
Foremost.
abduct
Abduct
as soon
करिए.
as possible.
them as soon as possible.
Abduct children.
First and foremost.
अच्छा everyone ना, even please mute yourself, then verbalize. Okay. Whenever I told you कि please Punendu, yeah, please Ethel, speak out, then please try to speak. Okay. Yes, Punendu. First, now this time is Punendu. Because I want to listen na, कि how you pronounce these words. That's why.
Our
Yes.
first and foremost priority is recovering about it children and as soon as
Abducted
possible.
children as soon as
Possible.
possible. Yes. Yes, Preeti Sahai. अच्छा, while reading Punendu, why your confidence level is not showing? कम से कम कॉन्फिडेंस से तो बोलिए. whatever you are speak right या wrong, अच्छे से तो हमें उसको read करना है. ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि आप इंग्लिश देखते ही डर गए?
Should I, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah.
Our first and foremost priority is recovering abducted children as soon as possible.
Okay, good, nice reading. So, what is the meaning of abducted children?
Kidnapped.
Yes,
Abduct.
right. Okay. Our first and foremost priority, यानी very important priority क्या है? Is recovering the kidnapped children as soon as possible. Okay. Yes, right. Now, second
Time
one.
and time.
Yes, time and time again.
Time again.
Time and time again.
Time
Ethel,
again.
Ethel, read this.
Yes. What's Ethel, ma'am? Time and time again.
Use
Time and
so many
time
time. यानी
again.
हमने बहुत बार उस
Yeah.
यूज किया होगा. Yes, time and time again.
Meaning keep off the grass. Time and time again, they have violated the rules, yet you have taken no action against them.
अच्छा, whenever you read ना, see the comma, see the point.
Yes.
क्यों होता है वहां पे? पॉज लेने के लिए होता है ना. पॉज लीजिए.
Okay.
ठीक है. Then read again. हम लोग अब
Okay.
जैसे हम लोग
Yes.
हाई एंड लोअर पिच में बात करते हैं ना, जहाँ रुकना होता है. टाइम एंड टाइम अगेन they have
Okay.
violated the rules.
The rules.
Okay, Yet
you
you have taken
action.
no
Yet you
action
have
against
taken no
them. Okay?
in-
Yes.
Okay. Can I
Like-
read, ma'am?
Yes. Right.
Yes.
Okay. So time and time again. Yes, Kathal. Mute.
Time again, they have violated the rules, yet you have taken no action against them.
Okay. Good. What is the meaning? What does it mean? Time and time again. Use so many times.
Use so many times.
So many times. यानी उसने बहुत बार रूल को तोड़ा. They have violated the rules time and time again. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You should V3 technique time and time again. If you want to become enrich in your vocabulary, if you want to become a more fluent speaker. Okay. Likewise, you at the end of the session, you have to make the sentences with the help of all binomials. So be ready. Okay. Now, yes, time and time again. Now, third one is.
These words can be used.
Yes, Abdul, you want to
Yeah,
say?
time and time again can be used in only, I feel like, during the aggressive conversation, right?
No. अभी recently I told you ना. If you
they have violated the rule.
They have
Yet you have not accepted.
I mean, when there is a negative
violated
happening.
everyone,
the rules,
please
yet
mute
you
yourself.
have to.
Everyone. Only Abdul.
Yeah,
Yes.
when there is a negative happening again and again,
Okay.
then we can use this word, right?
ऐसा कहीं है क्या?
I mean, if
No,
opposite
अच्छा,
person
for
making a
example,
mistake
if you want to,
again and again.
if you want to give a suggestion also, then that time also you use या many time. अच्छा, जैसे आप किसी भी चीज को एक से ज्यादा बार आप किसी को सलाह देना चाहते हो, you should, okay, करना चाहिए आपको. You should do this. Okay. If you want to get a success in your career, yeah, you can say, if you want to become a good communicator, you should time and time again, you should reach in your vocabulary. You should time and time, you should time and time again, what I say, if you want to become a good communicator, you should time and time again use V3 technique.
Yeah, got it.
Got it? In
Yes.
these sentences, where is aggressiveness?
Yeah. Yeah, in positive scenarios also we can use
Yes,
this.
in positive scenario, in negative scenario, you use this type of words. Use so many times. यानी आपको, if I want to say to everyone, please use V3 technique time and time again.
Ma'am.
To become an impressive speaker. Yes.
Ma'am.
Who is? Now, move to the next. Yes.
Can I say? Yes, time and time again, I practice the new vocabulary to improve my communication skills.
Wow, good. Great. But keep all the sentences at the end of the session. We will ask to everyone. Okay. Yes. So now third one, loud and clear. Loud and clear. What is the meaning of this? Binomials. Very clear and easy to understand. Okay. Very clear and easy to understand. Whenever you start your communication, whenever you start your English communication, try to loud and clear sentences. Try to use loud and clear sentences. It means जब भी आप बोलने की शुरुआत आप करिए, तो किस टाइप के sentences को आप बोलिए? Loud and clear. वेरी क्लियर एंड इजी टू, मतलब सामने वाला बंदा समझ जाए, वर्ड
समझ
यूज
सके।
करिए ऐसा, ठीक है। बहुत से लोग होते हैं ना, बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड या बहुत ही लंबा वर्ड यूज करने के कोई चक्कर में वो बोल ही नहीं पाते, दैट इज अ गुड नो। ओके, so try to loud and clear words during your conversation
Communication.
at the beginning of the, yeah, you can say at the starting stage. Okay, so yes, I believe that my message was received loud and clear. Whatever I try to teach you, I believe that my message was received loud and clear. इसका क्या मतलब, loud का मतलब ये नहीं हो गया कि सेंस के साथ नहीं जाएगा। लाउड एंड क्लियर मीन्स वेरी क्लियर था मेरा मैसेज और बहुत इजी था समझने में आपको। ओके, ऑल द टाइम वी टोल्ड यू ना, ऑल द टाइम I told you, please use V3 technique if you want to become a more effective, and if you want to impress your audience, then you should enrich in your vocabulary. All the time we told na, everyone, to everyone. So that is our loud and clear message. Okay, yes, fourth, part and parcel.
Part and parcel.
Acha, we never say na clear and loud, it is good sense. Clear and loud, क्या हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं क्या?
Order is fixed, ma'am.
हाँ, yes, Sri?
Order is fixed.
Yes, right.
Right.
So remind, मतलब मैम always remember, order is fixed. देखा, that is a fixed main point of the binomials. Yes, part and parcel. What is the meaning? An essential part.
Essential part.
Essential part. Yes, essential part. Acha, very impressive, na? Very useful our today's binomials. Yes. No. Yes. Now, who is ready? Sasi Shekhar, read this.
Internet has become a part and parcel of our life.
Yes, now the way of reading is good. Yes, internet has become a part and parcel of our life. Okay, हमारे लाइफ का इंटरनेट क्या हो चुका है, बहुत ही इसेंशियल पार्ट। अच्छा, मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम में हम करते हैं ना वेरी इसेंशियल है ना, दैट इज अ वेरी इसेंशियल फॉर यू, फॉर एवरीवन कहते हैं ना, तो इसेंशियल के जगह पे हम क्या वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं? पार्ट एंड पार्सल। अब ये पार्सल, वो पार्सल नहीं समझ लीजिएगा आप लोग, पोस्ट ऑफिस वाला। अगर पार्ट आ गया इसके पहले तो पार्ट एंड पार्सल मीन्स इसेंशियल पार्ट। ओके, nowadays English communication is a part and parcel for our
life.
successful careers, for our life. Okay, so that's why we are learning vocabulary, because vocabulary is a part and parcel.
Part of English.
Now, fifth one.
So
Move
now,
to the next binomials. Yes, sooner or later. It will happen sometime in future. Sooner or later. जल्दी होने वाला है, या it means जो भी चीज है ये होने वाली है और बहुत ही जल्दी होने वाली है। ओके, यस, निर्मला, read this.
You are going to have to face it sooner or later.
You are going to have to face it sooner and later. Yes. Yes, DMP 17. You are going to have to face your presentation sooner and later. Okay? Be ready for your presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
So that time you can use sooner and later. Yes.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Yes.
So if during your presentation, if you use these type of some binomials, then it will be more effective.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
For the Subhas Karthik sir. Use, presentation.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Now, little by little. Little by little.
Little by little.
Veeru Harjai, be ready. Little by little. Okay? So,
Little.
it means gradually. Gradually. Okay?
In the beginning, he had felt well, but little by little, he was becoming weaker.
Gradually. Generally, we use gradually. So, little by little, you can say instead of gradually. Gradually. Okay? Okay? Yes. DMP 17.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you prepare your presentation little by little, you become your, whatever you like to become a coach, you become a coach.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Prepare your
Yes.
slide little by little.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Yes. Now,
Step by step.
step by step. Step by step. Tejasri. Now, Tejasri.
Your dream of changing your life could turn into a step-by-step action plan.
Step by step action plan. Okay, step by step means to progress gradually. To progress gradually. Okay, step by step. Okay, your dream of changing your life. Your dream of your become a good communicator, English communicator. So practice step by step. Okay, action plan could turn into a step by step action plan. Okay, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Step by step. Okay. If DMP 17, if you want to give your good presentation, okay, so you should show your slide step by step.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
प्रोग्रेस ग्रेजुअली आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप, ऐसा नहीं कोई जो स्लाइड बाद में देना उसको आप पहले दे दो. फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रामर के लिए आपको देना पहले वर्ब का है तो आपने दे दिया वर्ड पार्टनरशिप का पहले, तो उसके बाद अब वर्ब का दे नाइस एग्जांपल ना, वी हैव नाइस एग्जांपल.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You are giving so
Definitely.
many examples regarding DMP 17.
17.
I don't know which type of coaches you want.
These sentences are encouraging us.
So
DMP
then
17. Yes.
why we are saying now, because earlier one phrasal verb I use, one binomials I use. What type of use binomials? याद है आपको? Sooner and
Little
later.
by little.
Because now
Sooner
and later I call you both of you coach. Now
Yes.
Now this time I'm telling both of you DMP 17, but sooner and later what I say? Coach.
Step by step.
Fluency coach. Yes. Now step by step. Yes. Progress gradually. You can easily
Yes.
now, why we are giving you example, you can easily these binomials in your presentation also. That's
Presentation. Yes.
Yes. Good and proper. Good and proper. Snehal Viskarma. Snehal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good and proper.
What is the meaning?
Don't cancel your
very well.
Don't cancel your meeting with him at the last minute. That's not good and proper behavior.
Okay. Yes. Everyone. Got it? What is the meaning?
Yes.
Good and proper.
Proper.
Good and proper means very well. Very well. Don't cancel your meeting with him at the last minute. That's not good and proper behavior. Abdul, you want to make some other sentence? You want to try? Good and proper.
Yeah.
17, you also make a
You should give you should give our presentation in a good and proper manner.
Very good. Very good.
You
Yes.
you arrange a meeting in a good and proper manner.
You arrange. You should arrange.
You should.
Okay. You should arrange meeting in a proper manner.
Good and proper.
Everyone, please try to make some one other sentence. I'm just.
Voice is not clear.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Good and proper. Anyone want to make a sentence?
Yeah.
Ethel. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Preeti
Don't
ma'am,
write.
Ek second, Ethel, wait.
Yes,
Abdul.
yes.
Yeah. Don't write incomplete answers in the examination. That's not a good and proper. That's not a good and proper way. I can say.
Proper way, proper technique, proper rules. Okay, good.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ethel.
Yes, ma'am. You are explaining binomial words then proper.
Okay, nice. Thank you. No one is speaking, no one is making this type of sentences. I'm very
color scheme.
Yes. Sometimes give me also. I need also a boost up energy, no? That's why. Yes, sir. Yes, DMP 17. While giving your presentation in front of Neha ma'am, yeah, Subhash sir. Okay. Fumbling and fear is not a good and proper behavior.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, and our student while using English communication in front of any person, okay, in your surrounding, in your family person, so hesitation, fear and fumbling is not a good and proper behavior. So whatever you speak with the conviction and satisfaction. Right and wrong, मैं तो बोलूंगा सामने वाले को समझ में आ रहा है ना, what is the, मतलब what I am trying to say. Good. Now next, move to the next slide. The nitty and gritty.
Gritty.
Okay, the nitty and gritty. Yes. Now, Praful turns. What is the meaning of nitty and gritty?
The most important details.
The most important details.
Before I get into this business, I want to know the nitty gritty of the sector, so that I can manage my business well.
The MP17, I need this type, some other sentences, this type of. Let's try to make.
During presentation.
Yes. Try.
During presentation, we should learn all nitty and gritty information.
Nitty and gritty from our senior, from our mentor. Okay, so that I can
I can achieve my goal easily.
Madhumita, why you are silent? Yes.
Ma'am.
Next. Okay. I'm listening now. I will listen everyone. Yes. 10. Give and take. All the time ना we use. हमें इसे generally बहुत use करते हैं इसे. Give and take. Okay. Give and take. Approximately, possibly, a small difference to the mentioned amount. Okay. Give and take. गिव एंड टेक का जमाना है, हम लोग हमेशा जनरली इसे यूज भी करते हैं ना हर समय हम. यस, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? ही ग्रोज टू अ हाइट ऑफ 5 feet, give and take a couple of inches. What is the meaning? Yes. Praful, Abdul, you want to ask something dear?
It grows to a height of 5 feet. Give and take a couple
You
of
respect or take.
Give and take.
Give or take or
Give and take.
Ma'am, I didn't understand this.
इसका मतलब ये हुआ, it is a meaning that it means approximately, लगभग, possible, मतलब small difference है, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा difference नहीं है, थोड़ा बहुत difference है give and take का. Okay, he grows to a height of 5 feet, give and take a couple of inches. बहुत ज्यादा inches में फर्क नहीं आया, बहुत थोड़ा ही approximately है. Got it? ये गिव एंड टेक वाला वो ना समझ लीजिए. गिव एंड टेक जो यूज करते हैं मेनी टाइम्स, गिव एंड टेक. ओके, बट इन अ बायनोमियल वर्ड्स में गिव एंड टेक मीन्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली. ओके. नाउ 11. Short and sweet. Short and sweet. What is the meaning? Brief, relevant and pleasing. Okay. Short and sweet.
Brief, relevant, and pleasing. I like this story.
Abdul, read this.
Short and sweet, brief, relevant, and pleasing. I like the story because it's short and sweet.
I like the story. Also, I like the story. When we start our journey in a communication, I like the story. Yes, most of them, always I read the story. Yes. Other. Nirmala, you want to say? Sasi Shekhar? Sasi Shekhar at the end, Sasi Shekhar will explain.
Yeah, ma'am. Our church father our church father gave us message short and sweet.
Wow. Very good. Nice example. Good. Yes, I like the story because it is short and sweet. Short and sweet means relevant है, brief है, pleasing है, मतलब अच्छा, खुशी, उस पर भरोसा करने वाला. Short and sweet means. Okay. Yes. What is the meaning? 12th. Hustle and bustle.
Hustle and bustle.
Yes. Busy,
active and noisy.
Hustle and bustle. Okay, hustle and bustle. Yes, who is reading? Yes. Praful.
They are adopting the hustle and bustle of Mumbai city.
Hustle and bustle of Mumbai city. What is the meaning of hustle and bustle?
Busy, active, and noisy.
Active and noisy. Okay.
Very fast, very busy.
मतलब आप इसको कहते हो बहुत ही शोरगुल से और चल मतलब बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ भाड़ से आप मेंशन कर सकते हो हजल एंड बजल.
High population area.
हाँ, you can say high population area. Yes, hustle and bustle. Okay. Yes, 13. Now and never. Now and never. Do it immediately. The chance may not come again. The chance may not come again. Okay.
It means अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं.
जो भी करना है अभी करो. Take a
अभी
decision now and never. Okay. So, yes. To me, it was quite clear to do it now and never. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now and never means do it immediately. तुरंत देना है. DMP 17, don't wait your chance. Okay. You know, if my turn will come, then I will give my presentation. You try to give your presentation at the first or second or third number.
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
Do it now and never. Okay. Yes. 14. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. It is a very, very beautiful also. But take it and leave it. It means it is a non-negotiable offer. Non-negotiable offer. Take it या leave it. बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर आज के हमारे बायनोमियल्स वर्ड्स हैं यार. सिर्फ 2 ही 3 आप लोग लर्न कर लो, उसे
I
यूज
will
करो.
give you
Yes.
10,000.
So, मधुमिता read this. देखो अमाउंट वाला मैंने पैसे वाला दिया पढ़ने के लिए मधुमिता को. Yes.
I will give you 10,000 rupees for the camera, but that's my final offer. Take it or leave it.
So you have to take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it. Okay. Yes. It is a non-negotiable offer. Okay. Take it or leave it. Yes. 15. Last. Rise and shine.
Rise and shine.
Rise and shine. It means it's time to wake up.
To wake up.
It's time to wake up.
Right.
Yes.
It's time to wake up for DMP 70.
Rise and shine. Yes.
Right.
Yes. Snehal, read this.
Yes.
Rise and shine. It's time to wake up. My husband always wake me up saying, "Rise and shine."
Okay. Yes. DMP 17. Your mentor all the time will tell you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Rise and shine.
Rise and shine.
Rise and shine. It's time to wake up.
Wake up.
Time to wake up. Okay. Now that is a topic.
Life was
Journey, not a
Life
race.
is a journey, not a race.
Okay.
Life
Everyone write
is a
it down.
journey.
Okay. Life is a journey,
ma'am.
not a race. Okay.
Once again, ma'am.
Life is a journey, not a race. Yes.
Not a race.
Now, what to do? What to do?
We have to use
You have to make a small
sentences.
sentences. Yeah. Make a paragraph story by the using of
These words.
these binomials words.
binomials words.
At least try to use more than 5. या कुछ भी use करके आप बनाइए. If you want to, then I will listen everyone one by one. एक second.
Try to fulfill our dreams for our good and proper living.
Okay, good. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice. Thank you, dear. Now, yes, Praful, go.
Yes, ma'am. A person live his life for making money. He think that when I become rich, I enjoy my life. But one day he go to bed because of his health issue, and then that time he realized that life is a journey, not a race.
Life is a journey, not a race. But where is the binomials words in your sentences, in your story?
Okay.
By using the binomials words, no?
Okay, sorry.
Hmm.
I will
Again try. Well try, but again try. Okay.
Ma'am, I think life is journey, not a race.
Acha. So at least do one thing na. If you please use na by this today whatever you learn na today binomials, use the story sentences with the help of binomials. Okay. If you want to make your story in today's topic, try to use life is a जर्नी नॉट अ रेस, इसमें भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं बहुत जगह पे बाइनोमियल्स वर्ड्स को.
मैम आई एम रेडी.
little by little my friends realize life is a journey not a race. मतलब मैंने अभी एक लास्ट सेंटेंस का एग्जांपल दिया. यू कैन दिस टाइप ऑफ यस
यस मैम आई एम रेडी.
हाँ अच्छा. who Madhumita.
Madhumita.
Madhumita, I'm not. Yes, good.
Okay. So, hello everyone. I'm Madhumita Pal from Odisha, going to narrate about a very beautiful story that is life's a journey, not a race. Actually, it has a very deep meaning. I will explain you how. You never get an elevator to reach up to your success level. So you have to move step by step. Consistency, patience, dedication are the part and parcel of our life. So no need to hurry. Just move little by little. And I can say that it will be good and proper. To understand the value of life, the first and foremost step is take challenges as opportunities. See, life is very loud and clear, but you need to take your action now or never. So, guys, rise and shine so that your life will be good and proper. Thank you.
Very good. Very good, dear. Now, give applause for.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. To everyone, not only Madhumita. Yes. Punendu. Yes. Then after Sasi Sekhar. Now, first chance I am giving you James. Only. Now.
Ma'am, okay, I'll tell you. Good evening, everybody. First time telling. First and foremost, I would like to say that life is a journey, not a race. Time to time again, we compare ourselves to others and try to move faster. But life don't work that way. In life, there is always give and take. Sometimes we win, sometimes we learn that how we grow.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you.
Good. Nice try. Well tried. Okay, that's okay. Yes. Sashi Shekhar.
Good evening, ma'am. Today I'm topic for life a journey, not a race. All are taking the tension for increase the salary, but each and everyone need to work good and proper way. So we achieve the target untimely. And if give or if you started any work in a give or a take format, so easily we achieve the target and enjoy our life. So life is a journey, not a race. Formula is applicable.
Good, good. Well tried here. Okay, yes, Praful. Abdul के बाद प्रफुल. अच्छा, then after स्नेहल. अच्छा, अब्दुल के बाद स्नेहल, then प्रफुल से जो लास्ट में. Okay, चलो. Yes, Abdul, then स्नेहल. Yes.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am. Sorry, actually, I haven't noted down the binomial words, but after hearing all this, my co-learners sentences,
Yes.
I framed a few 3 or 4 lines.
Okay.
See, my brother said to me, in 90 days, if you speak English fluent, I will offer you 20,000 rupees. Take it or leave it, this challenge. I replied to him, by practicing English on daily basis, step by step, I can improve my communication. First and foremost, I have to maintain consistency to achieve this prize. Once I complete my learning period, I will request the prize amount in good and proper way. Yeah, that's all. As of now, I framed.
Good. At least you try, na? At least you
Yeah.
try. Okay, that is the main part. Okay, if you speak more, then you will learn more. Okay, पहले तो हमें बोलना आना चाहिए. You should. Okay, and framing क्या good, nice try. Okay, yes, Snehal.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Snehal from Mumbai, and now I'm representing my inner conversation while I'm going to present something in meeting boardroom. So start. When I give presentation in board meeting, I continuously thinking about it should be a loud and clear with all parts and parcel of agenda. It must be a short and sweet. I don't have to do hustle and bustle there to end the presentation quickly. It can be now or never situation. I have to take it or leave it challenge of presentation. I have to present my point step by step to understand the agenda. Little by little, I will be more confident in meeting. Sooner or later, I will be rise and shine. After all, life is a journey, not a race. This is a conversation with my soul.
Good. Yes, you try, not is try. You more than binomials words. That is the matter.
Yes.
Okay. But from today onwards, try to binomials words in your conversation. Okay. आपको जो भी कोई 1, 2 या 3 ही वर्ड्स अच्छे लग रहे हो, बस उसी को लर्न कर लो. मैं सबको नहीं बोल रही हूँ. Okay, I'm not telling you all the binomials words. At least try 2 या 3. Yeah,
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I leave?
Yes, dear. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Okay.
Ma'am, I have used only 3 and 4.
चलेगा.
Can I read?
हाँ, चलेगा. 3.
Life is a journey, not a race. Our life is full of thorns and failures. So our first and foremost priority of our life is to have discipline in our life. Our motto in life should be loud and clear, as we should follow discipline step by step, because little by little we will face success. Failure is a part and parcel of our life. Sooner or later, we will see the success in our life. We should have good and proper knowledge of life.
Good. Yeah. Well tried. Acha, after the session, please try to send your feedback in the group. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
okay. Everyone. ठीक है? How was the session today? And एक second.